Okay. Hi, good morning. So I'll be doing an unboxing of my Munjoji jerseys that I ordered. So let's start first with this one. So it's Jimin. So it will be a series of unboxing because I have to finish everything before I leave for Korea. So my flight is tonight. I haven't finished packing. But yeah, ang daming ganap sa buhay. Adulting problems. So this is the face jersey. Yeah. Okay. And then sa likod. Ayan siya. 95. Ganda. Ganda yung quality ng jerseys nila, makapal. And this is the photo card. Cute. Okay. Next is layover. Ito yun. Ito siya. Layover. Ito yung and sa back. THV 95 also. And siya yung number sa gilid. Sa sleeves niya. Okay. And this is the free photo card. And okay. Next is yung kay Jin. Ano ba? Okay. Sokjin. Yan, si RJ and Mateo. Ang cute. Yan, worldwide handsome. 1992. Yan, so, yan, worldwide handsome. 92. Ganda. And ito yung, photo card niya. Ay, mali. Sorry. Ito. Sa likod. Ran Sokjin episode. Ganda. Sa likod niya. Ito pangalan lang. Kim Taeyong. And then yung kay Jimin. Sa likod. Jimin. And yung sa harap. Signature na. Okay. And then last but not the least, Namjoon. Indigo ba to? I think ito yung indigo. Oh, wala siyang photo card. Wala siyang photo card. Ito nun. Baka hindi nalagyan. Walang photo card. Anyway, so this is the indigo jersey. The last archive of my 20s. Ganda. Yan. Record of RM. Namjoon. Indigo. 1994. Ang bango din niya. RM 94. Yay. Wala siyang, hindi ko alam kung nalaglag or wala siyang photo card. Anyway, I just messaged them. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.